Okay, to start a project, you will need to open the Unity Hub, and then once the hub is open, click on New Project. And then depending on how it opens, it might open under Learning. You'll need to switch to either Core or All Templates, and we need the 3D template. And then give your project a name. I'm just going to call this Car Game 2 since this is my second one on this computer. Then you need to make sure you choose where you want it saved. On the school computers, it's going to be the D drive. Let's see on mine. I already have a Unity projects folder. And then hit create. And this will probably take about a minute or so for it to create the project. Okay, once it has created the project, you'll see a window that looks something like this. So what you're looking at over here on the left-hand side is our hierarchy. This is all of the stuff that's currently in our scene. You can see that right now we have a main camera right here, and we have a light, and that's all that's in our scene. Down at the bottom are all of the assets and packages that are included. You can see under packages, there's a lot of stuff that's gets created by default. You don't want to mess with any of this stuff. Here in the center, this is where we will be creating our scene. And then over on the right are the properties for our different objects. So you can see when I click on the camera, here are the properties for the camera. Click on the light, here are the properties for the light, and you'll see that for each of the objects that we create. So then in the next step, we're going to create a road and a car.